So for application of liner and the base, we will take, I am using here zinc phosphate, liquid and powder. And that is not in a luting consistency. I will use in the base or liner form. And this is since this is zinc phosphate, so in increment I will add. Now here we can use GIC also for giving a liner or base. So this is the luting consistency. I don't want the luting consistency because it just interfere my the working. I don't want the liner to get adapt on the wall, only on the floor I want to apply this liner. So the consistency should be thick putty like. So this is the amount I took zinc phosphate, and then I apply it on the floor. Okay, when you use this phosphate cement, you keep the spirit with you. You can dip in the spirit your instrument, and then like you can dip in the spirit your instrument and then adapt the restoration with the floor. Okay, take the condenser and then on the axial wall also you apply. Okay, so this is I think in the thickness of less than 1 mm. It is in the thickness of 0.5 mm. I applied the this liner on the floor of the cavity, prepared cavity, and on the axial wall, not on the gingival seat. On the gingival seat we don't apply the liner because it leads to leakage. For proper adaptation of the restoration with the cavo surface margin, we just apply on the dentinal wall, that is the exposed wall. And main dentinal wall is mainly present on the pulpal floor and on the axial wall. Okay, so here we will apply the liner. Okay, so here like this we have to apply the liner. Now you can smoothen the liner with your burr also. With the inverted cone burr you can slightly move the burr so that you can make the floor flat, or otherwise you take the condenser with a flat end, and with that you can condense your this before it get set. Once it gets set, then we can use the rotary burr only to smoothen the floor. Okay, so this way we will apply your liner. So if we are using the spirit, then it is not going to stick with the instrument. Now after this we will do the restoration part. So for restoration we have to apply the mattress band around. Then we will do the amalgam restoration or any other restoration, any composite restoration, any other thing we will do. Okay, so if there is a extra, we will remove. We will ensure that the cavity should be, after lining also, application of liner also, the cavity should be, the walls should be flat. Okay, so these tasks you can do.